Hi guys, Amplitude and Mixpanel are two of the most popular products analytics platforms, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I will explain the main differences between Mixpanel and Amplitude and will consider 5 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. And thank you for using the links in the description. Amplitude and Mixpanel are both excellent tools for tracking, collecting, and analyzing user behavior data on your website or mobile app. This data provides insights into various products usage and success metrics. So let's find out which is better for you. For the user interface and user experience, both Mixpanel and Amplitude offer a straightforward and uncomplicated user interface, so both are easy to use, but containing minor differences may influence your choice. Amplitude provides a really great experience and usage. It's a smooth and simple instrument to which you may rapidly adjust. It's a product that emphasizes data visualization components. These include graphs, colors, and other personalization aspects, and they are in its core and advanced reports. Even though Amplitude appears to have a lot of factors to consider, its user interface is easy, but you will need coding knowledge for the initial setup. Amplitude has a wide range of video tutorials to help you learn how to use it. Mixpanel offers a simple user interface with everything in its proper place. All the titles and subtitles are self-explanatory. Data analysis and tracking of clients' activity are straightforward. Mixpanel also offers its users video tutorials for functions on the navigation panel. That way you can get used to the tool's features faster. And you won't get stuck when you want the reports and information you need. And for the core reporting, they both take an event-focused approach, so you will get the same core reports from both, just in totally different ways. Segmentation, both tools take a segmentation-first approach, that is grouping users together based on common user properties. This could be location, age, paid versus unpaid, etc. Funnels, how users convert from one event to another. This helps to answer questions about your marketing funnel, so more efficient lead generation. Retention. So if you want to see things like how many users are still on board 2 weeks after signing up, this is how you do it. Both allow you to visualize the data as bars, trends, tables, and other various graphs. Mixpanel delivers core reports in a very simple, easy to digest way. Even though there is more data, the data is in much more digestible chunks. You get the basic dash first, then choose customizations after. It's really easy to get the hang of. Amplitude takes the reverse approach. They want you to choose customizations first before getting started, which can be a bit overwhelming. After that, it's fairly smooth sailing. With features in segmenting report like formulas, you can quickly find the average of a certain event, the total, unique users, rolling averages, and a ton of other cool things. Again, not really valuable unless you have the data to use it. And for the advanced reporting, this is where Amplitude has a clear edge. Amplitude prides itself on being the geekiest analytics software out there, giving you the most data to measure success. It's clearly the better solution for large companies needing detailed information and analysis of vast swaths of data. They both share a few common advanced reports like flows, pathfinder, and singles compass, and cohorts. And here are a few advanced reports you will get with Amplitude that you can get with Mixpanel: lifecycle, personas, and impacts. And for the workflows, before you can start using Amplitude, you have to go through an extensive planning, implementation, and testing process to ensure you are sending the correct events and properties to the platform. This is a highly technical task that should be handled by a developer based on Amplitude's instructions. Once Amplitude is set up and has collected enough data, you can start utilizing it. The platform is organized into reports, which you can fill with different charts. These reports are not created by default. You have to customize each dashboard and chart upfront, meaning you will likely spend more time on your workspace's initial setup than with Mixpanel. Similar to Amplitude, Mixpanel requires manual instrumentation. You start by deciding which events to track, implementing the tracking, and waiting for data to roll in. Again, the implementation process should be handled by a developer familiar with Mixpanel's documentation. Unlike Amplitude, Mixpanel starts you off with a few pre-made reports out of the box, so you likely won't have to spend as much time customizing the platform right away. So Amplitude expects its users to personalize the dashboard before you can use it, but it offers several more advanced reports. Mixpanel provides its users with a few basic dashboard templates. And for the notifications, Amplitude doesn't offer anything for notifications unless you pay for extra tools. Mixpanel provides several different ways to notify customers. These includes in-app communications, push alerts, email, and SMS. This is helpful for businesses trying to improve user journeys. And for the alerts, having alerts for any changes in your KPIs is always a smart idea, as your KPI metrics examine your success. Amplitude does not provide warnings based on KPIs, but Mixpanel includes automatic alerts to track your KPIs. These auto alerts allow you to respond to any situation. And for the pricing, Amplitude and Mixpanel have events-based pricing. In Amplitude's case, you need an estimate of how many events you want to monitor in your products. For Mixpanel, you need the number of users who trigger at least one event in your products per month. Amplitude has a generous free plan, which lets you collect up to 10 million events per month, comes with basic analytics features, and supports unlimited data sources and users. However, after the free tier, Amplitude is by far the most expensive platform on this comparison. However, their pricing isn't transparent, as you have to talk to their sales team for a quote. It's understandable though, they build you a custom plan based on your specific needs. The lowest price that Amplitude customers report is around $5,000 per year, paid annually with a 20% discount. Some customers report prices between $32,000 per year for 25 million events and $40,000 per year for 50 million events. Amplitude charges based on which features you want, so again, it's only worth it if you need the super advanced features and have a ton of users or data to work with. I highly recommend taking an initial demo tour before diving into Amplitude. It's pretty complex and tough to get the hang of. You will need to watch a tutorial video or two to figure out all the advanced reporting too. Mixpanel also has a free plan for up to 100,000 monthly tracked users in total, with unlimited data history. MTUs, the number of unique visitors who trigger at least one event. However, the free plan doesn't provide access to any of the advanced analytics features, like finding causal relationships between feature launches and user behavior. If you want access to the advanced features, you can build the customizable plans starting at $25 per month, if paid yearly. So for 1000 MTUs, Mixpanels costs $36 per month when paid monthly and $300 per year when paid annually. Mixpanel upsells two features as add-ons, data pipelines and group analytics. They also have an option to build enterprise plans with additional reports and dedicated customer success. So choosing between Amplitude and Mixpanel depends on your business and your needs. The better service provider depends on your company's budget and intended use cases. Amplitude has more advanced reporting features, and Mixpanel is a do-it-all analytics solution. But they both apply the same techniques for gathering data. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, leave a comment and click the like button, that helps too. And bye bye.